Step into the essence of elegant island living at 518 Brid Key Drive. The superb position on Brid Key's namesake drive is just the beginning. Once inside, you will discover an environment defined by supreme style and designed for all occasions. The open concept floor plan is enhanced by natural light cascading through pocketing sliding glass doors and windows. A defining focal point, the contemporary kitchen features high-gloss cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a seamless connection to the casual breakfast area and living room. A formal dining room is positioned next to the kitchen, providing a lovely space for celebrations. Perfectly detailed, the master bedroom is a haven of serenity with a tiled designer bathroom and easy access to the lanai for sipping your morning latte. Completing the stunning property is a 2-car garage, lush landscaping with an irrigation system, and a pool with a lanai. This home presents a lifestyle without compare, just moments from downtown Sarasota and St. Armands Circle.